In this video, we are going to see about one of the most important topic of software engineering, that is software requirement specification, shortly denoted as SRS. SRS is a technical specification which records the outcomes of software requirements definition actively. It is concise and unambiguous manner, that is, it is a short and clear manner. They also uses formal notation to specify them. Now let's see some of the important properties of SRS. They are correctness, consistent, completeness, unambiguous, functional, verifiable, traceable, and easily changed. Now let's see the list of properties one by one in a short and clear manner. The first property is correctness. SRS is said to be perfect if it covers all the needs that are truly expected from the system. The next one is completeness. The SRS is complete if and only if it includes the following elements, that are all essential requirements, whether relating to functionality, performance, design, constraints, attributes, or external interfaces. The next one is consistency. The SRS is consistent if and only if no subset of individual requirements described in its conflict. The next one is unambiguousness. It determines the implication in the SRS so that it is clear and simple to understand. The next one is modifiability. Modification should be perfectly indexed and cross-checked. So next one is verifiability. In verifiability, the requirements are verified with the help of reviews. The next one is traceability. SRS is traceable if the origin of each of the requirements is clear and it is facilitates. There are two types of traceability available in SRS. They are backward traceability and forward traceability. Backward traceability depends upon each requirement explicitly referencing its source in the earlier documents. Forward traceability depends upon each element in the SRS having a unique name or reference number. So, when it comes to SRS, we should try to understand the requirements that will arise in both elicitation phase and software system. The next important topic in SRS is there are two types of requirements that are available in SRS. They are functional requirements and non-functional requirements. Let's see first functional requirements. They also defines the function and functionalities within and from the software systems. For example, our search option is used or given to search from various invoices. The next one is non-functional requirements. Non-functional requirements are the requirements that are not related to functional requirement aspect softwares. Example, reliability, response time, and storage requirements. When it comes to non-functional requirement, it is more critical than functional requirements. Now let's see some advantages of software requirement specification. It reduces development effort, makes testing easier, defines product scope, and reduces the development loss. So here we have some software requirement types. They are business requirements, architectural and design requirements, system and integration requirements. At last, let's see some basic needs for SRS. It contains all the requirements that reduces the development time and loss and also minimizes the risk. So, thus these were the short and brief explanation about SRS. I need to conclude this video by specifying the important note about SRS in a document that describes what the software will do and how it will be expected to perform. It also describes the functionality the product needs to fill all stakeholders' business user needs. I hope this video will be very useful. Let's see the upcoming topics in upcoming videos. Thank you.